guys, how we doing? It has been about 2 weeks since we did a little bit of a garden update, so we showed off the garden. So it's time to update because a lot of cool things are happening, things are growing, which is great. I haven't killed anything, so I want to show you guys what's been going on. Let's do this. Okay, so to start out with, I gotta show you my cucumbers because they're amazing looking. You guys ready for this? Look at these babies. They are growing amazingly well. We have little baby cucumbers trying to grow, which is great to see. There's a good one. There's a little baby cucumber. But we are about almost to the top, to the first rung, which is great. I don't know what's going on there, but that one is actually on the rung. But they are growing amazingly well. Oh, let's fix him. So we just gotta kind of want to loop him back through there. There we go. I don't know what that one's deal is. It just never took off. I don't know. Hook him back on. Just gonna do one of those. Well, maybe not. Okay. You're good, you're good. Fix this one. And then, I don't know what its problem is either. That's a weed. It's gone. So, the marigolds are looking amazing. What's kind of entertaining is some of them got washed away, so we replanted. Well, they didn't actually get washed away. They're just growing outside the fence. Okay. So this lettuce had just started coming up last time, 2 weeks ago, but look at it now. It'll be ready to cut probably next week sometime. Brandon planted clover as kind of a cover crop, I guess is what it's for. But that's all through here. Nice. So this is going to basically just be a cover crop to help with erosion, as well as I'll be able to feed it to my bunnies. The peppers are doing awesome. We were kind of worried about them. Maya, you all need to stop over there. You're being loud. We were worried about the peppers because they weren't looking great, but they're looking awesome now. The zucchini is up and doing phenomenal. Look at that beauty. Look at him, he's gorgeous. The onions are doing great, although some of them oh, there's been a bunny in here. They're getting ate. Oh well. Alright, so on that side, we've got the lettuce, which I need to cut, so I guess I'm going to be doing that tonight. Then we've got over here, let's take you around. Carrots are doing awesome. Spinach is ready to cut. Sorry, I'm being eaten by mosquitoes. Swiss chard is, I think, ready to cut. I have to figure out how to cook this stuff. I have no idea. And then our one garlic is doing amazing. Okay, so I'm doing the tomatoes like this because I need you guys to see how tall these guys have gotten. You ready? Remember? Height check. Ugh, bugs. Almost as tall as me. You can see, kind of. Oh, you really can't. About to there. So that's like my knees here. So that's like mid-thigh. That's about how tall most of them are. About in that range. There they are. Show you another one. There you go. So yeah, tomatoes are doing phenomenal, which is awesome. I don't believe they're flowering yet. Oh yeah, they are. You saw that before me because I hadn't looked in there because they're kind of hard for me to see. Then we've got the spaghetti squash has been planted and that's growing. Has not started shooting any kind of grabbers yet, so we're not going to hook him on just quite yet. Beans are looking amazing. They have not started their flowering yet, but they are looking very good. So you hadn't even seen those last time. Oh my gosh, can you guys see this from through that? Look at that. Look how tall these are. Holy cow. That's up to here. That's like above my belly button height. Jeez. And then we've got the blackberries. All right, guys. Look at these. Look at them. all the berries. All the berries. We still got probably another 2 to 3 weeks before they're gonna be ready to pick. But we've got all the berries. All the berries. Isn't this awesome? Very excited. Very excited. Okay, so you remember how Brandon was talking about the flowers and how they were supposed to be nice and pretty? Well, we've got some flowers and they're pretty. So I guess he was telling the truth. But not many flowers, so I don't know. And then you've got the strawberries, which are doing really, really well, except for one. I don't know. This one is looking kind of sad. But the rest of them, on the other hand, are looking really nice. Even the ones, the little babies from the first batch. I picked last night, so there's really nothing to show you there. But they're looking good. So that was a quick garden update. I gotta go do the lettuce, so I'm gonna show you that as well. So I gotta do the normal outdoor stuff. I gotta mow and that kind of stuff. And I hate mowing. So I'm gonna take you along for the ride. Alright, so I got the mowing done. Now it's time to go cut all those lovely greens. You ready? Let's go! So there you go. Got all the lettuce cut. It's got probably enough for about a week. The cool thing is, cut lettuce from your garden lasts a lot longer than if you buy it from the store. So if you buy it from the store, it's already been cut for a few days and sometimes even a week. So when you cut lettuce, you grow your own lettuce and you cut it, you can get almost 2 weeks from what you cut. So, and if you keep up with it, you'll have more lettuce than you know what to do with, and you'll end up having to give it to people, which is awesome. But here you go. I've got an entire giant colander full, and I still have to cut the spinach. Yay! Okay, so the way to deal with fresh cut lettuce is really easy. Cold water and a sink. We don't put any chemicals or anything on our lettuce, so we don't need to necessarily wash it. But you basically just fill up your sink until I cut the spinach too. And you let it soak for like an hour. And then it's ready to eat. That's all you gotta do. There you have it, guys. Thanks for sticking with me on my garden tour and mowing and cutting the lettuce and getting everything ready on my evening of fun. I'm gonna finish getting this lettuce all put together, and then I'm gonna eat, because what's better than fresh lettuce? I love the harvesting part. Anyways, guys, thanks for sticking with me. Like, comment, and subscribe as always. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.